Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Katzelcreate and welcome back to our channel. So I am trying to get this video out. My kids are doing distance learning, so hopefully you guys don't hear any noise. Sorry if you guys do. So I am coming along today with our last project share for our Make It Till We Make It 1K collaboration between me and Tree from Craft On, and yay, we're so excited. We did not expect to reach the 1K at the point that we did. We thank each and every one of you guys who came on and subscribed to our channel. We are hoping that you guys stay along and continue to join us in our growth, our journey, our little journey, and our growing family here. So oh my gosh, I'm like a little nervous because I'm showing you guys our last project share. We are so super excited. We will be doing our drawing on Wednesday, so if you guys still want and to participate, all you guys have to do is a VR, go to the original video and make sure you guys follow those instructions there. But basically it's just a VR here on YouTube or on Instagram. Share it on your Instagram page. Just let us know on the original video that you did it, and basically enter me on most of all of our videos. So don't forget to do that, because like I said, there was special instructions, and one of them was to basically enter me on each video. So let me go ahead and do a recap on the items that I've already created. You may not be able to see my little tote because I'm doing a new setup. I had this video stand that I hadn't used in over like a year or so. So I'm using it right here in my room while my kids are downstairs. So let's go ahead and see if you guys could see. This is, oh yeah, you guys can't see. It's gonna be in my week 1 project share. It was a tote bag. And these are all going to be probably all scattered. I believe this was my week 2 project share. This was our tassels. There you go. Week 3, I believe was, oh my gosh, I believe it was bows. I can't remember. But after that, we had decided to do 2 projects at a time. So I'm thinking, was it bows? No. And oh yeah, and a banner. There you go. I think I'm going in the right order. I might be all not in the right order. So this is a little bag that I made for the banner. This is my packaging for the banner, and these are the bows. I feel like I'm forgetting something. It might be totally wrong. So this was my embellishments. This is oh, there you go, my embellishments. I did more embellishments here, and these are you could use for a basically a bag toppers. And I did put, I don't know if you guys could see that right here, I did put glossy accents on all of them right here. So there's a little, you could actually see it a little bit better on this camera or on this view. Sorry for the glare. I did these little cute balloon banners or embellishments, and I did glossy accent and did wing castella on these right here, as you can barely see. Let me see, you guys. There you go. I did the glossy accent on this one too. So there you go. And I also did rosettes, and aren't these so adorable? I don't know, I fell in love with these. This is actually a double layer rosette. This is a crepe rosette, and then there's a paper rosette that I used to dye with, and then I just went ahead and embellished it. I know I did not mention that on the video last week, so I do apologize for that. So this week's project share, I only did one, and I did a little baggie on it. You guys can see there's a little baggie, and I did shakers. We were supposed to do a shaker, and I went ahead and did 3 little shakers. I thought this was so cute. And if I forgot to mention, I did use the Hooray paper pad that was gifted to me by Cruz from Crafting con Cruz. So thank you, Cruz. I so enjoyed this, and I also ended up buying the digital because I wanted to print and I readjust some of these cute embellishments or these little cuts. So I thought they were so cute. There you go. And then I went ahead and did a baggie for it, so they all are in here. And these are not that big. You might see them a little bit bigger, and like I said, it's because I'm using a different setup in my room, so that way I don't have to be bringing and taking my setup from my craft area. So, and I've had this phone holder for a while, so I'm going to go ahead and use it here in my room when I have to do my recordings and my kids are doing the distance learning. So there you go. And that is about it. Again, you guys still have an opportunity, a chance. If you guys want to, you know, still join in, you guys still have that opportunity. Like we said, just make sure you follow the first video's instructions. And I just want to thank each and every one for taking the time to participate, to subscribe to our channels. We really so appreciate you guys for doing that. Hopefully, like we said, hopefully you stay and join us for our future journeys. We will be doing more giveaways on future videos, so do watch out for those because they might be secret giveaways. Anyways, thank you everybody for taking the time to watch, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.